Welcome. Today we're walking through a simple and updated way to turn on your join request notifications in Gmail, so you never miss an important request again. First, grab your phone and open your Settings app. This is where all the control over your apps and notifications live. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or Applications, and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. From the app list, look for Gmail and select it. You'll then enter the app info page, which gives you options like storage, permissions, and of course, notifications. Tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage every type of alert Gmail sends you. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see something called Notification Categories or a similar option. Tap that to open the detailed notification types for Gmail. Now, under the Other category, you should find a notification option labeled Requests to Join. This is the setting that controls the alerts for any join requests coming to your Gmail. Simply toggle the switch to the ON position. Once this is enabled, you'll start getting notifications whenever someone sends a request to join through Gmail. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've made sure you stay on top of your join requests without missing a beat. Whether it's for a group, a shared folder, or any invite that comes through Gmail, you'll get notified right away. Remember, keeping notifications tuned to what's important can really help you manage your email and requests efficiently, saving you time and keeping your inbox organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helps you stay connected and in control of your Gmail alerts. See you in the next one.